Hi, in this video we'll look at how to send out broadcasts from your Q workspace. Broadcasts allow you to send out a batch of messages to your customers. When you log into Q, you can find broadcasts by clicking on this icon in the left-hand navigation. This will bring you to the broadcasts page where you can see a list of all the broadcasts that you've sent out. To create a new broadcast, you can click on this button. This will bring you to the new broadcast page. Just note that WhatsApp only allows you to send out messages that are pre-approved templates to customers in a broadcast. So you must have a template that's been pre-approved in the Meta Business Manager before you can use this tool. If you have this, then let's proceed to set up the broadcast. So we can start by giving it a name. Let's say broadcast demo. We can choose the channel attached to the workspace that we want to send this message from. So we have this channel here. We can add the recipient in a CSV file that we want to receive the broadcast. So let's take a look at what that file might look like now. So if we open Excel, we have an example here. Your broadcast CSV file must contain a column called WhatsApp number that has the number of the recipients receiving broadcast. The first couple of digits must be the country code, and then after that, you can have optional parameters that you can insert into your template. So you might have a template that's saying, hi name, your order number is this, and it will be delivered on this date. In which case you can create columns for your different parameters that will be inserted into your WhatsApp template. Okay, let's go back. Now, if we upload our recipients file, let's have a look here, choose our broadcast CSV file. We've added that now. We can then choose the template name. So I'm just going to use a parameter test name here. Template locale. So this template is in English. And then we can add our parameters. So if we say add parameter, add parameter, add parameter, you recall we had 3 in our CSV file. And it automatically takes the name of the column as the named value here. So you can see date, name, company, and that corresponds to date, name, company here. Right? So this means for the first parameter, it will use the values in this column. For the second parameter in the template, it will use the values from this column. And for the third parameter, it will use in this column. You can have as many parameters as you'd like, or have no parameters. Then you can choose your header media. So if your template contains media, this is where you can set it. So again, media must be part of the pre-approved template. So when you create a template in Meta Business Manager, you'll have to say this is a template with an image as a header, or a video as a header, or a document as a header. And then you have the ability to override that by uploading an image or video, etc. But this particular template is text only. It doesn't have parameters. So we won't set anything here. We'll leave that as none. Finally, you can choose when to send this broadcast, so you can send it now, or you can choose to schedule it for a time in the future. Let's go back to now and click on Create. This now creates the template, the broadcast called Broadcast Demo, and we can see that it was sent at 12:24 today. The status is marked as sent. It was sent to one contact. So 1 out of the 1 messages has been sent, so 100% of the messages have been sent. So you may have some contacts or phone numbers that aren't valid in your file, in which case you only a certain portion of those will be sent to. So if you have 100 contacts and you have 10 that are not valid mobile phone numbers, then you will see, okay, only 90 have been sent, 90% has been sent. You can then see what percentage of these messages that have been sent have been delivered, and finally, what percentages of the messages have been read. So I will open this broadcast on my phone now and take a look at it. Okay, so I've now read it. If I refresh, you'll see 1 contact was uploaded, 1 message was sent to it, 1 was delivered, and 1 has been read. So 100% of the messages have been read. So that's an overview of how you send broadcasts. Hope you found it helpful. For more information, check out help.qdesk.com.